Alright, hi Joey. Maybe you can hear baby in the background, but at any rate, I'm making a video here for your image, and I'm going to send you this code, image converter. So just load it in somewhere. You're going to have to add a package statement and stuff, but basically load it in there, and then find the code for the image. Alright, so if you just search for like image or something, you should find it in there. But there's two photos, one that's like the initial one and the one that it switches to when this button is clicked. So all you have to do is save your photos a certain spot and then change the name to match exactly with the slash and then the extension or whatever. So I'm going to run it and show you what's going on. I hit transform, it just switches it. So I have two images, the first one here and then the second one that it gets switched to. Alright, and so you need to have those images in a folder called images. Alright, so when you set up your project, you can just put this image converter.java in a regular package and then have a folder, a resource folder called images. Put your photos in there. So you can see I've got photo and photo 2, so they need to be right inside of this images. To make that kind of folder, you just do file, new source folder, and just call that images or whatever. And then you can put your images in there, and then hopefully this code will work. Good luck. If it does not work, let me know. Again, put your images from the internet here, and then put the exact matching name in here. Right, it's got to be exact.